Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Buy a lemon. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Sally thought she was getting a great deal on a used car until it broke down on the way home. She realized she had bought a lemon. Buy a lemon means to purchase something that turns out to be of poor quality or defective. For example, I bought a used car last week, but it turned out to be a lemon. To remember the meaning, think of a sour lemon that leaves a bad taste in your mouth. Similarly, buying a lemon leaves a bad taste in your wallet. Let me tell you a story about a man who bought a lemon. He purchased a new phone, but it turned out to be defective. He spent hours on the phone with customer service, but they couldn't fix it. In the end, he had to buy a new phone and lost money on the lemon. Here are 5 example sentences to illustrate the usage of buy a lemon. 1. I bought a used car, but it turned out to be a lemon. 2. Don't buy that TV, it's a lemon. 3. He bought a lemon of a boat that never worked. 4. She bought a lemon of a dress that fell apart after one wash. 5. The company bought a lemon of a computer system that never worked properly. Fun fact 1. The origin of the idiom buy a lemon is unclear, but it may have come from the early 20th century practice of car dealers selling defective cars painted yellow. Fun fact 2. The idiom is often used in the context of purchasing a used car. Fun fact 3. In the UK, the equivalent idiom is buy a pup. If someone tries to sell you a car, and it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't buy a lemon. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quiz. Which of the following sentences uses buy a lemon correctly? A. I bought a delicious lemon at the store. B. He bought a lemon of a car that never worked. C. She bought a lemon of a cake that tasted terrible. Great job! You've learned the definition, usage, and context of buy a lemon. Remember, always be careful when making purchases, and avoid buying lemons.